Welcome. So now we're going to be talking about the most powerful module in this program and the most powerful sub-module in this program, which is all about goal setting. And before we start setting our goals, let me quickly ask you a question, since you all right now are on a look for a new job. So let me ask you a question. Do you have written goals for yourself? Or let me be more specific, since your immediate priority is new job, do you have written immediate goal, let's say in a horizon of 2 to 3 months, that what package, what role, and what kind of job you are looking for? Type in the comment box below, yes, I have written goals, if you already have it written, or no, I don't have written goals. Just type in the comment box. That will give me an idea on how many of you have this in place and how many of you don't have in this place. Okay. And while you are doing this, let me tell you a quick story on the power of written goals. And this is a real case study. This is a real research which was done by Harvard in 1979. There was a batch which was passing out from Harvard, and that entire batch was asked a single question, which is, how many of you have clear written goals and plans to achieve those goals? The result was that 84% of those graduates said that they don't have any written goals. 13% said that they have written goals, but they don't have plans on how to achieve them. 3% said that they have written goals and they have concrete plans on how to achieve those goals. In 1989, exactly 10 years from that day, these candidates were interviewed again. Okay, and the results were quite shocking. 13% who said that they have written goals but they don't have concrete plans on how to achieve those goals, they were making twice as much as 84% who said they don't have any written goals. But the killer thing is, 3% who said that they have written goals and they have plans on how to achieve those goals were earning almost 10 times as much as rest of the 97% of the class. So that's the power of written goals, and that's the power of the plans that you create around those goals. Okay, so now what we will do, we'll do a quick exercise wherein we will set up goals for you. So basically there are two types of goal that we will set. One is your immediate goal, which has a horizon of around 2 to 3 months, and one is your aspirational goal, which has a horizon of around 2 to 3 years. In this video, we will specifically focus on your immediate goal because job is your current priority. And once you complete all the modules and when we meet in one-to-one coaching call, we will talk about your aspirational goal. So right now what I want you to do is, I want you to write on a notepad exactly the amount of money that you see yourself earning in a time frame of 2 to 3 months. And I don't want you to stretch this significantly. I want you to be comfortable with this amount. So for example, if you are earning, let's say 50,000, I don't want you to write 2 lakh, right? I want you to write the money which you see yourself comfortably earning. It could be 60,000, it could be 70,000. And for people who might have lost their job at this point in time, they might just want to come back to 50,000, right? So make this amount comfortable so that you can believe in that amount. If you don't believe in that amount, then you will not achieve it. So first thing, write the exact amount that you see yourself earning. Second thing that you have to do is write the exact role that you see yourself performing, that this would be your title, this would be your position, this would be your role that you will be performing. Third thing, write down in the notepad that this is the exact service that you will be performing as a part of your role. So basically, this is the value that you will be creating as a part of your role. Once you have written that, now I will share with you a quick template on how you have to write this goal in a template which will work wonders for you. I could have shared with you a very high-end design template, but I understand that this is a lockdown period, so you might not be even able to take printout of this template. So what I have done, I have created a very basic template, and I'll show you my goal template also, because it doesn't matter whether you create it in a design template or a simple template. The key is you create it and you do the steps that I tell you after that. So let me do a quick screen share so that you get to see how you have to create this. Okay, so I'll just do a quick screen share and you will be able to see how the template looks like. Okay, so now if you look at it, the goal has to be set in present tense as if you have already achieved it. So this should be your goal template. On the front side of your template or at the top of your template, you write immediate goal, and whatever is the date, whether it's a 2 months horizon or 3 months horizons, and you have to literally feel it that today is 31st of August 2020, and I am super happy that I am earning rupees, whatever is the amount you see yourself earning, while working at a position of whatever is the role or title you see yourself earning, yourself working and performing these services, whether these are marketing services, sales services, CRM services, account services, whatever services you see yourself doing. And I am doing this with full effort, dedication and focus, and I am getting excellent results. I am living a life of true abundance. So this is how you have to create your goal card in present tense, and you have to literally feel it while writing it. And this template is there in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video.